Now let's do some activities on page number 4. Question number 1. Read the words or names given below. Put the bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Bigger things are pine, tree, musky, lake, highway, sun. And the smaller things are bass, bush, scrub, reel, star and trail. Okay, now see the next question. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Now let's find rhyming words from the poem. Hill, reel, bee, tree, grass, bass, make, lake, here, near, trail, fail, star, are. Next question, question number 4. Complete the following with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. For example, if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. Next, if you can't be a tree, be a bush. Next, if you are a muskie, then just be a bass. If you can't be a captain, be a crew. Next, if you can't be the highway, be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. In this way, we can try to complete this activity. Now let's see the next question. Question number 5. Write whether the following are true or false. All must be the captains of the teams. False. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. Be win or fail depending upon size or position. False. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Whatever job you have, do your best. True. Now see the next question, question number 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. The title of the poem is Be the Best. It is very simple and easy to understand. Next, the poem is written by well-known poet Douglas Malloch. Next, the lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and third lines and second and fourth lines. Next, the poet compares big things with small things. Next, the line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are. In this way, you can try to complete this activity. Understand? Okay, thank you.